Hello and welcome. My name is Ivo and let me introduce you our next videocast. Sewio Customer Experience Team prepares videocast to help you understand specifics of Sewio RTLS systems. This videocast is focused on how to make a good design in RTLS Planner. Here's the RTLS project timeline. The site survey was done and you have got all necessary information for your design. We can move on to RTLS Design phase. The correct position of each anchor and correct tag placement save you a lot of technical troubles in the future during the installation phase and especially during the tuning phase. Also, the correct design helps you avoid some additional cost connected with, for example, moving installed anchors on corrected position. There is a good example on the picture. Usually the anchors are installed very high. We can tell the higher the anchor, the higher is the cost if you need to change its position. The RTLS design is the most important phase on the project. Therefore, the design should be done as precise as possible. On the next slides, I'm going to show you what needs to be done to have your design in RTLS Planner approved. The first step of your design is creating a project registration with information like project name, expected closing, and especially use case. Enough details about your use case is necessary regarding your final plan approval. More about the project registration you can find in our online L1 training. When your project is registered on the Sewio portal, there is a project folder where you should upload all documents, pictures and other related materials relevant to your project. Now, you registered your project, edit all documents and pictures, and you can start with your project design. Using RTLS Planner helps you to instantly find the best location for anchors and their types to meet superior precision. It's a very useful tool and the best way how to create a successful design. Let's have a closer look on RTLS Planner. The RTLS Planner is a cloud application which is accessible via Sewio portal. It's very easy to use. You can add walls and other obstacles followed by anchors. When your design is done, the RTLS Planner calculates DOP, Dilution of Precision. The DOP shows you the area coverage. On the next slide, you can find a brief view how to do the design in RTLS Planner. Firstly, you add a floor plan and set the scale. As a next step, you can add walls and other obstacles. By adding annotations including notes and pictures, helps to Sewio technical consultants better understanding of the environment during the plan approval process or consultations. When the environment in RTLS Planner is created, you can start to adding the anchors. Do not forget and have on mind the anchor and tag deployment rules from L2 online training. After your anchor design is done and you edit the information about the tag height, you can calculate the DOP. It will be calculated within the entire area as a color contour map. The lower the DOP value, the better the accuracy at the output. Here you can find an example of the final design including all information. Here you can see the walls around the area, obstacles, also anchors, and the DOP shows very good coverage of the whole area. When your design is finished, you can ask for the plan approval. The design must include all the details mentioned on previous slides. After a request for approval is sent, Sewio teams go through all the details what you added into the plan and try to understand your design. Based on the RTLS system deployment rules and Sewio team experience, the plan will be approved or returned with additional questions via service desk. Now, here is the answer for the question, when is your plan approved? Sewio technical consultant needs to understand the environment and where do you plan install Sewio devices. Therefore, it's important your design includes suitable number of anchors with defined heights, walls and obstacles, annotation with pictures, use case, and definition of the tag placement. If your plan has got all those attributes, you are on a very good way for a successful plan approval. If you have any question during the design, please feel free to open a ticket under the project on the Sewio portal, as shown on a picture. I hope you enjoyed our videocast, and it's clear how to do a design in RTLS Planner and what information we need to approve your plan. If you still have some question, do not hesitate to contact us. Thank you and have a nice day.